again with the tender taillight repair. The last time I saw you guys, it was over a 2017 Toyota Yaris IA repair where I backed into a pole at my place of employment. Well, I did it again. Different car, same pole, same taillight, new repair. This time it's a 2019 Toyota Yaris LE. And here we go with the unboxing. I want to give a shout out to carparts.com. And I want to give kind of a reverse shout out to Ron Tonkin Toyota here in Portland, Oregon. I went in to see what it would cost to trade in my car, and they were going to ding me $450 for this repair you're about to see. I paid $81 and then $8.99 shipping on this part from carparts.com. They wanted to charge me $179 solely for the part. The rest of that $450 was going towards labor. I don't think so. So here we go. These guys didn't let me down last time. I'm betting they didn't let me down this time. Here it is. As you can see, they send it in a nice plastic envelope. Got this on to protect the end, and it comes in the box nice and protected. Alright, so let's take this bag off. There we go. Look at that. Even comes with the gasket, y'all. The gasket. Yep, the gasket is firmly and fully attached. There we go. As you can see, it's the exact same thing without a hole punched into it. Okay. Alright, so I think now we're going to start our repair. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use this handy dandy standard screwdriver to come remove this panel. Okay, so just like the last Toyota, the panel's right here. And as you can see, we just take our little screwdriver. And it's a snap-in deal. They pretty much all are these days. There we go. So it shows us here we got pigtails. So we want to grab our pigtails, squeeze down, pull. Pigtail and pull. Alright, and just like the last one, we have 3 of these little nuts. Alright. Let's see if I got it. And instead of the wrench, I'm using this handle. How you undo the 3 bolts. Next, this is a kind of a tricky part that's important you know. Notice right here. See this? That's important. Okay, so this is the new one. So we come up here to the old one and slide that off. You gotta give it a pull to slide it backwards, and that takes it off. So now we take our new one, position it, slide it up, and there you go. Now all that's left is to screw it back in place and replace the pigtails. Okay, with all 3 bolts attached, now you come in and you put this back on. It snaps into place. Sometimes it argues a little bit. Like I said, this is probably, I think, the toughest part of the job is getting this thing back in properly. There you go. Okay, y'all, now that our repair is complete, let us make sure that it works.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
And that, folks, is how you fix a 2019 Toyota Yaris LE taillight without paying Ron Tompkin $450. The end.